All right, let's get started. So first things first, what to download and step by step. I'm just going to get over some heels when it comes to like tips and tricks about stuff you guys have probably never even heard of in your life, which is fine. That's why I'm here. All right. So this is the step by step on what to download first. Go ahead and grab Instagram. Go ahead and download it. Okay. Make a new account. If it's within 10 years, get a new one, start from scratch, restart. All right. We need to make sure we're on the algorithm in every single way possible. Same thing. I want you to download the Edits app. It's all integrated through Instagram. So once you download Edits, you'll then log in and then everything will transfer to the app and you can edit, sling all the videos out that you want. It's kind of like TikTok and CapCut. All right. It's integrated into each other. They're definitely going to push the algorithm more for the video if you edit it on that rather than, you know, CapCut rather than edits. It depends on what platform you're using. Comes down to what editing platform you should use. And when they have made two that integrate into each other, of course they're going to push it more if you make sure you go to the Edits app, then upload to Instagram, or go to CapCut and upload CapCut, then to TikTok. Okay, so think about it like that. A lot of people don't know about that stuff. Now, when we first make an Instagram, the first thing you need to do is make it a professional account off rip, not a business, none of that. Turn the insights on and optimize your bio, whatever your niche is. All right, so like for me, mine says I humanize profiles to three times their income. It's not about followers, it's about influence and turning your influence into income. And I make sure I stake that not only on my main Instagram profile, but my company's profile, right? So Pivotal Edge Consulting, right? So if you have two, okay, what makes you think you need two profiles? You need a service, right? And that's your company, your brand name, whatever it is you come up with. And then, of course, you have you as yourself, the brand as a whole. Okay. As we continue, okay, so this will be YouTube. YouTube's a great tool to have because if you're not slinging your knowledge for whatever your niche is on YouTube, because YouTube algorithm can get really confusing, you just got to make sure you know what you're doing. All right, so make sure we're posting the right things. Claim your channel early and prep for long-term authority, right? So go ahead and set it up. You can make playlists throughout it. You can say, okay, hey, this is all for personal branding. This is all for my online coaching. This is all for editing. Whatever it is you want to do, you can make that, whether it be public, private, and all that good stuff. But it's a really good way to show your knowledge and still touch hearts and get to eyes from all over the nation. Okay, so make sure we're not limiting ourselves. We want to be able to get as many eyes as possible. Okay, so just like CapCut and TikTok, just like Instagram and edits Instagram, YouTube has what we call a spotlight. Hashtag shorts, you know what I mean? Go ahead and download Spotlight. This is going to show you your insights, just like you can do with Instagram. You can look at your professional dashboard. You can see what's working and what's not, and then you can alter it around your audience and what they like and what they don't like. Okay, it's the best way to do it. Look, now we're getting into TikTok and CapCut here. Literally what we just talked about. Make sure if you have a TikTok and you're about to post a TikTok, you are editing through CapCut and then posting. Okay. Templates. TikTok loves their templates. All right. It's all a China-based program. There's no telling how long these two are going to last due to it being from China. But, we still got Instagram, we still have YouTube and Shorts. So I recommend using the American-made one because it'll probably last a lot substantially longer than the others. Okay. And my freaking go-to and personal fave, guys, if you're not using Canva, you are tripping. This is the easiest thing to make a logo, to make a sick profile pic, to make ads for your story, to make thumbnails on YouTube look so sick and aesthetic, and draw more attention to your school modules, right? So I made all of this on Canva. Okay, this Money Online, Editor's Alley, The Closer. Guys, this is the coolest crap ever. Made all this from Canva. So utilize these strategies for success all on here. If you go to Editor's Alley, look, you can come over here to Canva step by step, literally hit the how to. Dude, it's just people like that, dude. It's easy. And the best thing about it is it takes seconds when you know what you're doing. And there will be videos on all of that in the school. Okay. So utilize it, guys. This is all for y'all. Okay. This isn't for me. This is for you guys to be like, okay, this is what I need to do. And this is what I need to get done ASAP Rocky. Okay. So that's a little bit all for this one. I definitely say download Loom too, so that you guys have the little circle thing right here. I might need to add that in there. Speaking of, I can't believe I don't have it in there. So let's go ahead and do that. So roadmap, making money online, need some ideas. We got that in there. Let's break the algorithm. What to download. Where was that? Right here. Okay, so what to download. Step by step. Cool. So yeah, I'll put that in here because guys, Loom is a great way to do too. Okay. So definitely put Loom in there. Loom will record all your modules and screen record your screen. But that'll be it for that, guys. Go download these things. I didn't go over Lightroom actually, so let's talk about that. Lightroom is literally just going to edit all your pictures. You can mess around with that all you want. I don't use it personally because I have a nice camera now, but when I was using an iPhone camera, that thing came in clutch, my boy. Okay. If you need help when it comes to using Lightroom, I'll make a little link right here. That way you guys know how to use it. Okay. So use this to your advantage. Remember, download Loom. It'll do the screen recordings for whatever stuff you want to talk about and go over. Instagram, make sure you have the edits app in there. Make sure our bios are a professional account. Turn the insights on, optimize your bio for your niche to talk about what it is you do. YouTube, Spotlight, TikTok, CapCut. Okay. Need to think about that. I hope this video helped, guys. I'll see you in the next.